Alrighty guys, welcome back to the first, that's right, welcome back to the first of Darksiders 2, Death Lives. Subtitles, yes, definitely, yeah, we'll accept that. So I know this game, because I live in Australia, if you didn't know that already, from the accent, which, well, if I say it like that, I sound a bit British, but no, I'm really Australian. And I know this came out like 2 days earlier than here, like in America, but because of the time zone, it's only really 1 day.
There can be no life without order. Good, evil, darkness, light. There must be balance in the universe. Such is the decree of the Charred Council, an ancient body charged by the Creator to preserve the very fabric of existence. But the balance has been broken. Even now, Earth smolders in ruin, fallen to the demon lords, and the Destroyer carves a new kingdom amongst his mighty chosen. Some say the Horseman War triggered the apocalypse, that he rode to Earth unbidden and doomed all of mankind. But what of the other horsemen? Fearless enforcers of the Council's will. What of fury, strife, and death? To know those names, you must first know another. Nephilim, cursed union of angel and demon. The Nephilim had countless realms preserved and burned them to ash. But 4 amongst them grew weary of the slaughter and feared their conquest would imperil the balance. And so a truce was made. The 4 would serve the Council in exchange for unimaginable power. Thus were the dreaded horsemen formed. And the riders' first task was to purge their own brethren from creation, to annihilate the Nephilim and destroy their souls. Let us now cast our gaze to one amongst the 4. Not War, who lies chained at the Council's feet, professing his innocence, but one who would save his brother above all else. He has many names: Kinslayer, Executioner, Death.
Awesome. Seriously, I've been looking forward to this game since I found out it was going to be made, and, you know, watching the trailers a million times. So, awesome.
To bargain for war's freedom, Death swore that he would resurrect humanity. But he knew not how this might be done.
Bird.
And so Death rode forth into the icy veil to find the Keeper of Secrets.
Pretty. Bird. I love Bird. Ooh. We got the horse there. Despair, that's fine. Hey-ya! Hopla! Hopla! Cool beans. Of course we're gonna ride the horse, I mean... That's one thing I kind of didn't like about the first one, was the fact that you didn't get your horse until like 3/4 of the way through the game. You get it back, it's awesome because you're riding it, and then when you have to go fight the first boss, your next boss, you lose it. It's like, ugh. But that's, you know, this one you get the horse straight away. I was like, cool beans. Run, Forrest, run! Ooh. Rawr. Hola. Press RB to dodge incoming attacks. Time to dodge to avoid damage. Okay. Yacha! Wraps. Grapes. So how do you equip it? Oh, what's that? Is it back then? Ooh, what are we doing? Ooh. Cool beans. Dark Fortress. It's the bird. I'm coming. That's not what to do, so. Oh, yep. We got this. Wait. Kind of. Hey. No! That is no. Rawr. Alright, we got this. Okay, so you just press it once. Press it again, you jump up. I getcha. I getcha. That's what you do. Come here. Ooh, hammer. We equip the armor. How do you equip it? Says I've equipped it. That's what I thought. Okay, how we did this? Go one. Hammer in time. Hammer time. Oh. What are these do? Sorry. Sorry, I just prefer these. Look at those numbers, flat man. Look at those numbers. That. Oh, another hammer. I didn't want that. What was it saying before? That about walls? I don't know. What was a wall? Where am I going? Ah. Come on, baby, come on. Come on, baby. Slobbering time. Ah. Go on, kill him. Oh, hell no. They're pretty eyes. Hoopla! Up. Nanny. Hammer time. Oh, use health potion. Health potion. Dang it. Bam! Oh, oh look at me flashing from there. Did he drop anything good? Hammer. Oh jeez, he dropped the hammer. Not that all that stuff is, I'll just pick it up anyway. But I pick it up anyway. Alrighty guys, I'm going to pause it. Thanks for watching. Tune in tomorrow for another episode. Bye!
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. It really means a lot to me when I get views on my videos, because it means people watch it and people I like watching them and are like, oh, what's this, I'm going to watch it. Thank you much. So for the views down here, even more when I get the likes over here, dislikes, favourites in here, and even more when I get subscribes up here. That really helps me a lot. Thank you guys so much, and see you in the future with more videos, hopefully.